Beginner's Guide to Baking. Baking can be incredibly rewarding, but starting can feel overwhelming with all the techniques, tools, and ingredients involved. This guide will help you walk through the basic, ensure you have a solid foundation to build on. Understanding the basics. Baking is science. Unlike the cooking, baking relies heavily on precise measurement and chemical reactions. Small variations in ingredients or techniques can significantly impact on the outcome. Read the recipe first. Before you start, read through the entire recipe to understand the step and ensure you have all the ingredients and tools needed. Essential tools for beginners. Measuring cups and spoons. For accurate measurement of dry and liquid ingredients. Mixing bowls. You need a different size mixing bowl for holding the ingredient and mixing it. Whisk and spatulas. A whisk is essential for mixing and spatula is great for scraping the bowls. Baking pans. Start with basic pan like muffin tin, loaf pan and 9 by 13-inch pans. Parchment paper for lining baking pans to prevent sticking. Cooling racks. Allow baked goods to cool evenly by letting air circulate around them. Electric mixture that is completely optional. Hand mixers are affordable and helpful, but you can start with a whisk. Common ingredients. Let's know about the common ingredients you are going to use in the baking process. Flour. All-purpose flour is the most versatile. It is crucial to measure it correctly by spooning it into the measuring cup and leveling it off with a knife. Sugar. Granulated sugar is standard, but brown sugar, powdered sugar, and other have specific uses. Leavening agents. Baking powder and baking soda help you bake good rice. They are not changeable at all. Butter. Provide flavor and moisture. It's important to use the correct temperature as specified in the recipe. Example, soften, melted, and cold. Eggs. Provide structure, moisture, and richness to the recipe. Salt. It will enhance the flavor even in the sweet recipes. Milk or other liquids. Add moisture, milk, water, and sometimes alcohol can be used. Let's learn about the basic techniques. Measuring ingredient. Measuring ingredients. Use the right tool like dry measuring cup for the dry ingredient, liquid measuring cup for the liquids, and measure accurately. Creaming butter and sugar. This is where you beat the butter and the sugar together until light and fluffy. It's key for many cake and cookies. Folding. A gentle mixing method using to incorporate ingredients without deflating the air bubbles. Swifting. Often done with flour and powdered sugar to remove lumps and incorporate air. Testing for doneness. Learn to use a toothpick to test cake and bread. It should come out clean or with a few crumbs when done. Simple beginner recipes. You should start the baking with the simple recipes. Let's learn about a few simple recipes to build your confidence. Choco chip cookies. A classic, easy to make cookie that teach creaming, measuring, and baking. Banana bread. A forgiving recipe that helps practice mixing wet and dry ingredient. Muffin. Simple, versatile, and quick to make. Brownies. Great for understanding how different types of sugar and fat, butter and oil work. Let's learn the troubleshooting common issues in baking. Flat cake could be due to old leavening agent, overmixing, or incorrect oven temperature. Dense or dry baked goods. It's due to overmixing, overbaking, or too much flour are the common culprits. Cookie spreading too much. Make sure to chill the dough if needed. Use the correct amount of butter and bake at the right temperature. You can learn the baking by reading so many baking books or online tutorials and practice. Practice can make you perfect. If you like the video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.